Stop looking for a job and find your career at A1 Garage Door Service. Garage door technicians are in high demand with an industry that is nationwide, creating opportunities everywhere. At A1 Garage Door Service, our installers and our service technicians learn hand-on in our advanced trade program with a proven history of success. Our International Door Association certified trainers conduct a 6-week curriculum utilizing a state-of-the-art learning management system in our classroom environment blended with hands-on expertise in our 32,000 square foot training facility. During the course of our program, you will learn hands-on how to install, service, and repair multiple types of brands of garage doors and electric operators. With multiple fully functional door systems in our location, we can simulate real-world scenarios and present a learning experience that will set you up for success in a rapidly growing industry. Learn a new trade, become an A1 certified technician, and elevate your career with the industry leader in garage doors and electric operators. Join the A1 team, and remember, it's A1 from day one.